Let's call the subway. Pacing the platform, waiting for the train. Not too many people around. Some junkies hiding out from the rain, or an occasional drug shakedown. The walls are sticky, scarred with graffiti. There is no amazing grace. The homeless have fallen, far beyond needy, citizens of a subterranean race. I can smell electricity and other stuff. The odor is acrid and distinct. I cover my nose with a shirt cuff and try hard not to blink. The ladies, they scent of juicy fruit gum. Their morals are all broken. Some of these girls haven't seen the sun since the 10-cent subway token. A sign says, danger, beware third rail, instantaneous electrocution. The sheriff drags inmates from his jail. The populace sees a free execution. A dim light glows in the black tunnel. I hear the screech of a wheel. Squeeze through the door like a funnel. You never know what you'll feel. Phantom shadows dance on the wall. Every column hides a killer. The train slowed down to a crawl. A new Michael Jackson thriller. I ran back up the down escalator. Next time I'll pack a rod. Someone yelled, come back later. And it didn't sound like God.